are not slaves. Yes. We are citizens, we are not slaves. Yes. And we will continue to let them know that indeed we are citizens, we are not slaves. Wherever we stand in this country, we stand as the citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Absolutely. We are not to be intimidated. Absolutely. You walk around here, you see policemen and women with their guns. Absolutely. You see security agents with their guns. And I ask you, where are you when we are being kidnapped? Yes. Where are you when we are being Nigerians are no more safe on the streets. Oh, yes. Nigerians are no more safe in their houses. Nigerians are not safe anywhere. Absolutely. It is protesters that come out that you come out and intimidate. We will not be intimidated. Yes. No Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian.
That's right. That's right.
Every one of us occupy the highest office in this land. Oh, right. And that is the office of the citizen. Yes. The president occupies the highest political office, so his office is less than our office. I am an employer of the president. I pay the president's salary. I pay the bills of his family, and he must protect me, whether he likes it or not. As the commander-in-chief, the president has failed. How many police were killed by terrorists in Borno? What have you guys done? Nothing. I needed to see my commander-in-chief be one. I needed to see all of you go after Shekau and bring Shekau out. You're standing here with front of protesters.
We have a whim.
And soldiers are being killed all over. Madam, your colleague has just been killed.
Yes.
What have you done about it?
Yeah.
We all are suffering. And as you're waiting here, the next phone call might come and they will say they've picked your child. Yeah. What will you do? God will not forbid. You know why, madam? Because those people it happened to, they too pray. Yes. The only way God will forgive is by us using what God has given us. We cannot be praying. We cannot be a nation of praying people. We call ourselves the most populous country in Nigeria. Absolutely. Really? But when it comes to protest, we are the least populous country. Absolutely. Because we have cowards as citizens. Oh, yeah. People who are afraid to die. Yeah. Are we living in Nigeria? No. Is this life? This is not life. I spent 7 months in the UK. I just came back 2 weeks ago. I just finished my 14 days quarantine. You know what? I wasn't treated as a slave in another man's land. So who would dare to treat me as a slave in my own country? Because we call out those who failed. Every day you get a phone call from someone in the middle of the night telling you that they need money for healthcare, they need money for school fees, they need money for this and that. Nigerians make demands on fellow citizens, but they dare not make demands on the government that are failing them, that are looting them, that are packing their things away. It is high time we begin to do tough law. Yes. Yes. Enough of the nonsense. Yes. Where some people will stay at home, they expect us to put our lives on the line for them, and then they will call and tell us to bring money. People have been making excuses. All yesterday, what was on social media? Oh, Showore is the one doing it, they will not come. Henry Shid is the one doing it, they will not come. Oh, Adenji is the one doing it, they will not come. Oh, Ario is the one doing it, they will not come. You know what? Excuses are like shoes, and you always find the one that fits. It's time for us to stand as a nation. I'm tired of being afraid in my country. I'm tired of hiding in my house. I'm tired of paying unnecessary school fees. I'm tired of paying bills. How much is the tidy care that they pay? What would you buy? A bag of rice? And that's it? And then we'll have a president who has the guts to do nothing, and yet he sends in security agents to come and intimidate us. You all should be ashamed of yourself. Yes. You all should be ashamed. Very ashamed. You all should look at yourself and let the tears pour down, because we are killing this nation. Yes. Matter how much do they pay you? Nothing. How much is your
their bosses take all their money. They take all of their welfare. They live in dirty barracks.
The child of the president and the child of the policeman man should have equal rights in this country.
Yes.
They should have access to good quality education.
Absolutely.
How much is the school fees in Regent where most of them have their children? You see us on the streets, you think we are hungry, that's why
We're not hungry.
We aren't! We are angry, and that's why.
People that are hungry, the people who are stealing our money.
How much is it your school
They are the
fees?
hungry people.
How much is your salary? How much do you pay for your
Nonsense.
children's school fees? Do your children get the same access to good quality education like your children?
No.
That's why we are here. So the next time they send you to protesters and tell you to put a
And you
bullet
come out
in
with
your head,
guns.
think about it. And the thing is that as long as they are committed people, it doesn't matter the numbers.
Yes.
The numbers have never mattered. What has mattered is the sincerity of love. And the shame you are here. You've seen the people that will talk on social media. And let me tell you something. For anyone who says protest does not work, it's a lie. They are afraid of it. That's why they will send them to you. They are afraid of your voice. They are afraid of your power. They know you're committed. They know you will stand. They know you will